Let's go across to Ved Jain to understand better some of these new implications. Ved, take us through what you see as the primary takeaways of the assessment form this year.
See, Abha, there are many changes which have been effected in this form. As you rightly said in the beginning, there is no change in the 7 forms which have been specified for different category of persons. But now the details which are required to be given in these forms have been modified. There are 2 reasons why these details have been modified. In technology use, where the department want to use the artificial intelligence, and in order to capture that artificial intelligence, now they want every taxpayer to provide more detail. Second, many changes are consequent to the amendment made in the Income Tax Act over the last 2 years. As we see, the more and more technology is being used, more and more data and inference statistics is being collected by the tax department to have a complete profile of the taxpayer. If I look at the many changes, one is normal is regarding the capital gain. So normal asset, the taxpayer was required to compute the capital gain, giving the year of purchase and sale. And now it has to be very specific, the date of purchase, date of sale, date of improvement if you have made in the, what is the cost of improvement, etc. So more details are required. Another is regarding the EPF interest. As you were just telling it, now the act was amended to provide that in case interest on your annual contribution to your provident fund exceeding amount 2,50,000 rupees is chargeable to tax. So in case you have contributed to the EPF more than 2,50,000 rupees, the interest portion on thereof need to be included and provided therein. So there are few changes which have been made in addition there to many other changes which have been made on respect of thereof. As I said, more and more technology is being used. So it is cutting both ways. Some information is required to help out the taxpayer, and some information is required to get a profile of the taxpayer and to make sure that the deduction which is being claimed and the exemption which is being claimed is proper and in accordance with the Act. And one of the change maybe for the salaried people, maybe ESOP for the startup. Now, ESOP of the startup can be taxed in the next 48 months. So in order to capture that the tax is not evaded, now information need to be provided whether you have invoked that option, and in case yes, the detail is required to be provided on that. Further, even for pensioner now, earlier it was sufficient to say that I am a pensioner. Now it will be required whether you are a pensioner, whether you have been a central government employee or a state government employee or a public sector employee or any other category which is there. So more and more information is being collected. One way, as I said, it makes their life a little bit more complex and more tough for a taxpayer, because now he need to fill in and answer so many questions, which many of them are technical and may not be easily, I think, clarified by to the person who is filing the return, and may need the help of a professional to fill in the returns.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.